In this video, I'll show you how to install TikTok on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to install TikTok on your computer, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the search bar from your computer and then go ahead and search for Microsoft Store. And once you've searched with the Microsoft Store, you'll get to see the Microsoft Store. You just need to click on this and it's going to bring up the Microsoft Store homepage, and go to the search bar at the top right here and search for TikTok. And once you have searched with the TikTok, you'll get to see the TikTok app. You just need to click on this and click on Get in order to install the TikTok application to your computer. This will take a little time, so be patient until this process is being completed. Once the installation process is done, go ahead and click on Open here. Now you'll get to see the TikTok application has been installed. Now you can actually checkmark this option, create a desktop shortcut, and click on Allow. And you're pretty much good to go. If I get back from here, you'll get to see the TikTok app has been added to your home screen. So I'm going to open this up, and now you can directly use the TikTok from here. You can tap on this login button in order to log into your TikTok account, and you can do a lot more things as you wish. And this is how you actually can install the TikTok on your computer. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.